Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we'll see how to install Redis on Ubuntu 21.04. Redis is an open source in-memory data structure store. An in-memory database IMDB stores computer data in computer's main memory instead of disk drives to produce quicker response times. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. Next, I'm going to install the Redis server by using following command. Next, I'm going to install the PHP Redis by using following command. Next, I'm going to restart the Redis server by using following command. Next, I'm going to enable the Redis server by using following command. The Redis server is enabled. Now the services start on the boot time. Next, I'm going to log into the Redis shell by using following command. I'm logged in locally. This is the Redis shell. Now I'm using the ping command and adding some message. This message will be displayed. Next, I'm going to set the key value by using set command. The hello string is set to the keys value. Now I'm call that string by using value keys by using following command. This is how to install Redis server on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed. Subscribe to Linux Help channel. Visit linuxhelp.com. For support, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.